Good morning students. Today we will talk about the business activities. Business activities are those activities which are done to earn the money in any business. Okay? These business activities can be classified into two. The first one is industry and second one is commerce. Today we will learn about industry. What is industry? In industry, we produce some goods, raw material is used, and raw material is converted into the useful product. Where raw material is used for useful production, that place is called industry. Okay, now we will understand there are three types of industries. The first one is primary industry, the second one is secondary industry, and third one is tertiary industry. So first of all we should understand what is primary industry. Primary industry is that industry where two types of work are done. The manufacturing the things and extracting the things. These primary industry are again classified into two. The first one is genetic industry and second one is extracting industry. Wherever the breeding of cattle are done, where breeding of not only cattle, birds, breeding of birds are also be done there, and pisciculture. What is pisciculture? In a pond, if someone is growing fish, that is called pisciculture. Okay, and dairy farming, it depends upon the animals. Dairy farming, in a dairy, people rear the animals and produce the goods, produce the milk and sold it. In this way they earn the money. This is called genetic industry and dairy farming. Last one is in genetic industry is nursery, where people grow the plants, grow the flowers in the plants, and they sell the plants and flowers both. This is called nursery and it will included in genetic industry. Okay, and this is also called primary industry. In the primary industry, the second type is extracting industry, where the work is done to extract the raw material, extract the minerals from the mines. If they rear the fishing, if fishing means, if there is a confusion, in pisciculture we only grow the fish, bring fish from someone, and after that we only grow the fish. This is called pisciculture and it will be included in genetic industry. On the other hand, in extracting, if you are seeing the fishing, it means the people go on seas and bring the fish from there only. They sell the fish after extracting the fish from the sea or rivers. This is the difference. Okay. And timber cutting. People go in the forest and cut the timber, cut the wood and sell in the market. This is called timber cutting. In this way we can say in primary industry, genetic and extracting industry are included. These two types of work are done in primary industry. Now we will see secondary industry. Secondary industry involve manufacturing and construction work. Okay. What is manufacturing industry? Manufacturing industry are of four types. One is analytical, second one is synthetic, third is assembly, and fourth one is processing. What work is to be done in analytical industry? In analytical industry, people broke the raw material in different products, and at that time what work they done, that is called analytical industry. And synthetic industry, in synthetic industry two or more material are mixed and after that they produce the goods. This is called synthetic industry. And assembly industry, in assembly industry there are different type of parts are collectively used. They assemble the things such as television, etc., electronic item, etc. And processing, in processing industry people process the two or three things are mixed and after they process, such as textile industry and iron and steel industry. In this way, these are the four types of manufacturing industry where the raw material is used for different type of things. Now we will see the constructive industry. As it is clear with the name, road constructions are done in this industry, dams are constructed in this industry, and bridges are constructed in this industry. Means overall, any type of construction is done in the constructive industry. So manufacturing industry and construction work is done here. This is called secondary industry. Now we will see the tertiary industry. Tertiary industry are those industry, they provide help to primary industry and secondary industry. The one important thing is in second industry is the raw material of primary industry is used in secondary industry, and in tertiary industry they provide the service to primary industry and secondary industry, such as transport. If primary industry or secondary industry transport is needed to them, they are providing service. So we can say this is also called service industry. Okay. Banking service is provided to the people who are working in primary or secondary industry. So this is also a service that is given to primary and secondary industry. And communication means phone service, etc. And advertising, both primary or secondary industry is needed. Advertisement is needed for primary or secondary industry, and in this tertiary industry people provide the service to the people. So this is called the service sector, service industry or tertiary industry. So students, I have told you there are two types of business activity. First one is industry, and industry is elaborated here, and this is the second type of business activity. The name of this activity is commerce, and we will learn what is commerce in detail tomorrow.